What's up guys, welcome back. In this video, we're making this mini kukri, this mini knife right here, and we use this mini anvil to forge it. Let's go. Okay, you guys saw that the mini anvil bouncing around like crazy and I couldn't keep it still to forge on it. So I built this jig that we're going to clamp to the anvil, and now it can't move out. Just a hole in the piece of plywood, these two little holders there. So let's go put it on and see if that works better. grind it now. Alright, real fast, I'm just gonna say you can get some of our merch on our Teespring store. There's a link down below. Go click on it and you can get our merch. We got hoodies, shirts, mugs, stickers, socks, all sorts of stuff. So go check that out. And then like, share, and comment on the video. That'd be sweet. Oh, and subscribe. Alright, back to the video now. Okay, so this is what we got so far. Just rough forge on this small anvil. It's not too pretty right now. So we're going to throw a 60 grit onto the belt sander and start grinding on it. Remember to wear your PPE. Don't be a one-eyed Wesley. Alright, let's get started. Okay, we're done grinding for now. So now we're just going to do some hand sanding and then we're going to drill the holes. Okay guys, we have our pins cut out and we have our holes drilled. This third one right there, it's gonna be for like a keychain, a lanyard type deal, you know? And so we're gonna trace it on this purple heart and then we're gonna cut out our handle. Okay, so we've got everything done. The scale's ready, the pin's ready, the knife is ready. So now we're just gonna use some 5-minute epoxy and glue it together. it's finished gluing up. So now we're gonna go back to the grinder and do some more grinding on the handle. Alright guys, it's done. It is kind of sweet, and I really like it. It's awesome. Guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment. We just made this teeny little kukri on this miniature anvil. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Oh, hold on. Get our merch, Teespring store, link down below.